Today I'm going to replace the high mount brake light in this what is it, Elantra Sport. Nice, the dash tells me the light's out. I'm just going to double check that and I'll show you how to replace it. First we got to get into the trunk. You can see the bulb, the socket right here. Now these ones you want to be careful with because this wire is like wrapped around, and if you just go doing like that, you're gonna break that wire. So you want to make sure this wire is down before you turn it. Otherwise you're gonna stretch and snap that wire. When you get it turned, here's the bulb. This bulb is just another turn if I can do it one-handed, or is it melted in there? And yes, they have broken into my hand. There we go. So it's just one on the side. Which bulb is this? It's a something bulb. Can't see. Maybe it's because I'm getting so old. Well, I'll get another one and that will say it. This doesn't look like it's either I'm missing it or it doesn't say it. I'm probably missing it. But it should be written on there or stamped. But whatever. So there's the two wires, and they're usually like wrapped almost around it. So if you just go and turn it without pulling these wires down out of the way, you're gonna bust them. And yes, I have done that. B, the bulb. One to say on there. Well, it's like the same thing. So when you're putting these in, you see one of these tabs. Actually, in this one it doesn't matter. It's a single filament. So, used to doing the other ones. Put it in there, little turn. Back up. There we go. Now let's go see if it works. And I think we're good. And they didn't want their engine light checked, so we are just going to ignore that. So be sure to subscribe, check out the merch store, and I'll do another video when I find something to do a video on.